Welcome back to BRG News once again. Kerala tea shop owner has a heart of gold. He and his brother has been providing free meals to those who are underprivileged from last few months. Even when you are not at your best, you can always be there for others. O.A. Nazar runs a tea stop with his brother O.A. Shamsuddin on Ashoka Road near Kallur, Kerala. And he lives by the philosophy of helping other people out as much as he can. He has been providing 10 free meals daily to those who are underprivileged for the past few months. The shop is open from 6 am to 3 pm. While it was shut down during the lockdown, the free service has been kept open with the help of sponsors. He said, "Our sponsor provides us the money a week in advance. Even if we didn't get a sponsor to support us on a particular day, we will do it on our own. We never considered it as an additional burden. Even after meeting daily expenses, we managed to give away free lunches. Now many people are coming forward to support us." The tea shop has been there since 1984. Their father earlier owned a small stationery shop but faced a huge loss as a majority of the revenue was used to help others. But the sons have continued the tradition of helping people. 18-year-old boy Aman Sharma, an environmentalist from Delhi, co-founded a budding club to provide information about environment. In the early days of lockdown, a lot of Delhi residents were pleasantly surprised to hear birds chirping outside their windows and in the garden. As nature was recovering due to the reduction of human activity, a lot more birds were seen in Delhi, or in other words, they became more visible. That is because Delhi has a vast variety of birds who for a long time had become invisible due to the hustle and bustle of the city. So, for a lot of people, especially the young generation, it was a new experience to see and hear so many birds around them. But it was not for 18-year-old Aman Sharma, an environmentalist. When he is not at school or fighting for the environment, Sharma would be busy bird watching. Sharma explained how he was introduced to birds. He said one day his mother told him that there was a bulbul's nest on their balcony. He went up there and saw the nest. It had 3 cute eggs. He had never before interacted with another species at such close. He used to spend his days observing the bird and its nest. He also spotted 10 to 15 other species of birds from there. But when he asked his mother, she had no idea about them. Same with his science teacher. He felt that odd and that made him curious about birds. Sharma said his obsession reached a point where during the weekends when his friends and family would be attending parties, he would skip those and go to Sultanpur to see birds. Since then, he co-founded a budding club for children called Cuckoo About Nature Club, which aims to create environmental awareness among them. The 18-year-old said he is proud of the work the Cuckoo About Nature Club has managed to do so far, and by making more young people aware of the birds and butterflies around them, who are now sharing their knowledge with those around them. A recent study has discovered that young alligators have the ability to regrow their tails just like lizards. A recent study has revealed that young alligators have the ability to regrow their tails up to 3/4 of a foot or 18% of their total body length, just like lizards. As per reports, a team of researchers from Arizona State University and the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries used advanced imaging techniques combined with demonstrated methods of studying anatomy and tissue organization to examine the structure of the alligator's regrown tails. The interdisciplinary team of scientists is reported to have discovered that the new tails were complicated structures with a central skeleton composed of cartilage, surrounded by connective tissue that was connected with blood vessels and nerves. Scientists further hypothesized that regrowing their tails gives the alligators a functional advantage in their aquatic habitats. The regrowth of cartilage, nerves, blood vessels, and scales are consistent with previous studies of lizard tail regeneration from their lab. However, they said they were surprised to discover scar-like connective tissue in place of skeletal muscle in the regrown alligator tail, while adding that further comparative studies will be essential to understand why regenerative capacity is variable among different reptile and animal groups. Before going any further, let's take a break.
BRG Group.
Welcome back once again after the break. Astronomers have discovered cold brown dwarf, also known as superplanet, with the help of a radio telescope. In a recent study, astronomers have discovered a cold brown dwarf, also known as a superplanet, with the help of a radio telescope. Scientists have nicknamed the faint superplanet as Eligast, that has remained elusive to standard infrared survey methods. It was first identified by using data from the Low Frequency Array radio telescope in the Netherlands. Generally, brown dwarfs are referred to as pale stars or superplanets because they are too small to be considered stars, yet too big to be considered planets. The substellar object is usually discovered by infrared survey. However, Eligast was the first substellar object to be detected using a radio telescope, according to a statement from the University of Hawaii. Michael Liu, the co-author of the study and researcher from the University of Hawaii Institute for Astronomy, said in the statement that the work opens a whole new method to finding the coldest objects floating in the sun's vicinity, which would otherwise be too faint to discover with the methods used for the past 25 years. President Ramnath Kovind boarded the first flight of Air India One B777 aircraft for Chennai. According to a statement released by Rashtrapati Bhavan, President Ramnath Kovind on Tuesday boarded the first flight of the Air India One B777 aircraft for Chennai for his visit to the Venkateshwar Swami Temple in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Taking to Twitter, the office of the President of India wrote, President Kovind boards the Air India One B777 aircraft for the inaugural flight to Chennai. The President will be visiting Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh to offer prayers at the Sri Venkateshwar Swami Temple. Andhra Pradesh Governor and Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy will be welcoming the President at the Tirupati airport. While boarding the new aircraft, Ramnath Kovind commended the pilots, crew members and the entire team of Air India and Indian Air Force for operating the state-of-the aircraft and facilitating VVIP movements with the country on state visits abroad. One video is going viral on social media in which a man can be seen ramming his brand new Kia to the walls of the showroom. There are car accidents, and then there are totally avoidable, seriously unfortunate car accidents. One video is going viral in which a driver ramming his brand new Kia Carnival minivan into a showroom wall minutes after delivery. The video is not a new one. It went viral on social media in June this year after it was uploaded on YouTube. In the original clip, a dealership employee can be seen explaining something to the driver. The car with a couple of people sitting inside then starts moving. However, the driver immediately appears to lose control of the vehicle, ramming it straight into a wall. In fact, the car hits the wall a couple of times more as the driver tries to reverse, leading some to speculate that he did not know how to control automatic cars. That's all for today's news. VBRG News Team assures to keep you updated. Till then, stay safe.